Today I'd like to introduce you to the Securefast AL900 electric strike. The strike is ANSI designed, which basically means that it fits the same size as all other ANSI electric strikes. So your Trimec, your Alpro, your Adams Rite, this unit can directly replace the same apertures of those locks. The unit also comes with a short and a long stainless steel faceplate for both timber and metal doors. With the timber doors, we've fire tested the electric strike to both 30 and 60 minutes, quite unique for an ANSI electric strike in the British market. And the strike will hold to 4.45 kilonewtons, in other words 1,000 pounds of holding force. It's also fail-safe or fail-secure. This model's fail-secure. To convert it, you simply remove the screw at the base here and it will make it a fail-safe electric strike. It can be used in both 12 and 24 volts and comes with a monitor of the latch or a dual monitor which monitors that the latch is in and that the solenoid bolt is locked. Thank you for listening.